marqueur cet après-midi. Et on peut voir la partie arrière du Skyvan. À toute fin pratique, on a l'impression que c'est un container auquel on a mis des ailes de chaque côté, un cockpit en avant et une porte de l'arrière à l'arrière. On l'a fait léger et voilà ce que ça a donné. Le Skyvan, c'est un appareil qui peut monter, même s'il n'est pas pressurisé, à 22 500 pieds. Si jamais on va aussi haut, ça veut dire que l'équipage utilise les passagers vont avoir de l'oxygène auxiliaire, parce que plus haut que 10 ou 12 000 pieds, on commence sérieusement à avoir des problèmes de manque d'oxygène.
Yes, where they're going, it's not pressurized, and where they're going well up above us, a couple of miles high, it's going to be cold up there. And it depends actually how high they can get. We'll get, they call it PIREP. We're going to find out exactly how high the clouds are. The forecast is going to take.
Here at CFB Borden, Snake Hill is one of the ways that we make sure that we are able to get out some tougher weather conditions. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the smoke is on. We ask that you all rise. Move your caps for the national anthem.
And the last jumper about to touch down once again, folks. Let's hear it to the Skyhawks.
So purely leg strength, ladies and gentlemen, they are holding on to each other. Those canopies do not want to stick together. They want to be torn apart, to be honest. So they are holding on to each other by the legs into another barrel roll. And another one as they bring it into a down plane, a nice edge, and break apart for a nice smooth landing, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause, please, for our paramedic duo. Sergeant Johnny Shaw and Corporal Jason Bench. Final Skyhawk that you see descending now, ladies and gentlemen. In the front there, we have Master Corporal Dominic Raymond, a vehicle technician from CFB Borden. As a vehicle technician, Master Corporal Raymond will conduct his microphone training here at CFB Borden. And as he deploys that same proud to bring it, ladies and gentlemen, another little tip about that candy cane, ladies and gentlemen. Master Corporal Raymond conducting as many orbits as possible. So one of three things happens. First thing, he runs out of altitude. Second thing, he runs out of smoke. Or option three, he gets sick. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen, as our last couple Skyhawks bring it in and trying to get down as quickly as possible. And ladies and gentlemen, after our Skyhawks finish their performance, Master Corporal Miller with a nice landing there right on the tee. Our Skyhawks will be moving out into the crowd. They'd love to chat with you folks. Talk to you a little bit about what skydiving is, what drew them to the sport. Of course, the parachute team of Skyhawks, now in their 47th season, proudly have performed for over 75 million people in Canada and abroad, proudly demonstrating the professionalism, the dedication, and the teamwork of today's Canadian Armed Forces. Ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs, 2018 Skyhawks. And one final thing, ladies and gentlemen, again, please share your photos, videos on social media. You can find ours at Skyhawks Canada. Tag us or use the hashtag Skyhawks Canada. We'd love to see your photos and videos from the ground as well.
Borden Airshow, hashtag, and they're already sharing video. We posted some things from yesterday. Lots of looks at the big crowd that was here yesterday and the expressions on the faces of the young ones and all those attending. We tried to shoot as many reactions as we could throughout the day, and they're everything from inspired to entertained to even some gobsmacked looks. I mean, it was fun yesterday. And here comes the Skyvan now, and we'll get that recovered, and then shortly we're going to pick things up, making some changes as the weather changes. Our air boss and those looking after the choreography of the show are doing a little dancing as the ceiling goes up and down. As you can see, we're getting some better stuff in there. All the bad stuff seems to be going around us and to the right, and that's great news.
Bon, on va mettre le soleil présentement, oui.